Fleet is trying to build the most complex, advanced satellite in the world, and this starts from the antenna. Antennas are the most critical component. We need to be very clever in the early stage of engineering. For us, simulation means everything. We don't have enough infinite budget or infinite time. We need to make sure that we launch the satellites and they work. And the only way to do that is in-house, to simulate for every scenarios, every challenge, and make sure that when we build something, it's going to work. These antennas are unique in the world. No one has similar antennas. So we had to build an entire team, high-level capabilities in antenna design.
Designing antennas for satellites that you know that it will launch to the space is exciting for me. It is hard, challenging, but it is great. We use HFSS to modify or design the fleet space antennas. You can run simulation as much as you want per day. By simulating your antennas, you can check the performances, which lead you to the designing the antenna that give you the desired performance, rather than waiting and fabricating the antennas and checking the result at the last minutes of the development.
When you 3D print an antennas, you don't know how they're going to behave when they get into space. The only way to make sure that we launch and they work is doing simulations. And doing simulation all the way through the design of these very complex engineering pieces. We need to make sure they are designed for the right performance, that got printed with the right geometries.
Using HFSS, it makes the design of the antenna faster. HFSS helps us to gather information on our overall system's performances, including antenna design, beamforming network, and mounted antenna on the satellite. To consider this many designs without simulations would be impossible. If I didn't have HFSS, probably you will not get the best result that you can get, and probably you will need to manufacture different versions of the antenna to be sure that at the end you will get the result that we want.
Historically, to build and test a satellite, you need hundreds of people. Now, with a small, high-skilled engineering team that can really work with simulation tool, we can build 7 satellites. So the world is changing, and this is all due to these amazing simulation tools. So when we judge a simulation package, there are a lot of criteria we look for, and we just really choose the best that can help us go fast, build a great accuracy, have the right support. We choose HFSS because it's the golden standard in simulation, and we are so happy about how far we have come using the tool. The support and mentoring that we have received from LEAP Australia has been absolutely amazing.